The 2026 Kenworth W900 stands as a proud testament to American trucking heritage, merging decades of classic design with the latest advancements in technology, power, and comfort. A truck that refuses to compromise between legacy and innovation, the W900 continues to command respect on the highways, job sites, and every mile in between. For those who demand both performance and presence, this truck delivers like no other. Its bold, long-nose design and unmistakable chrome features are more than just visual cues. They represent a lifestyle, a commitment, and an identity that many truckers embrace wholeheartedly. With every mile it travels, the 2026 Kenworth W900 reinforces its status as one of the most iconic rigs on the road. From the very first glance, the W900's exterior exudes timeless power. The long hood stretches out confidently, providing a sense of purpose and authority. Chrome fenders, side mirrors, stacks, and bumpers gleam in the sunlight, reminding everyone that this is a premium-class truck built with pride. The dual vertical exhaust stacks rise high with elegance, giving the W900 a muscular, commanding profile. Customization is a central theme with this model, and Kenworth has left no stone unturned in offering a wide array of color options, polished metal accents, aerodynamic packages, and lighting upgrades. Whether it's LED light bars, airbrushed murals, or classic pinstripes, the 2026 model is more customizable than ever before, allowing each owner to express their personality through their truck. Beyond its legendary appearance, the W900 houses a performance platform that's built to tackle even the most demanding hauls. Underneath the hood, drivers can choose between several powertrain configurations, including the latest PACCAR MX-13 engine in the optional Cummins X15 Performance Series. The PACCAR MX-13 offers up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, making it a solid choice for long-haul operations with an emphasis on fuel efficiency and reliability. For those requiring raw power and ultimate torque, the Cummins X15 can push out up to 605 horsepower and a massive 2,050 pound-feet of torque. That kind of muscle ensures that whether you're hauling freight across the Rockies or pulling oversized loads through the plains, the W900 responds with strength and consistency. Transmission options include the Eaton Fuller 18-speed manual for traditionalists who love full control, and the Eaton UltraShift Plus automated manual for those who prefer a smoother, less fatiguing driving experience. These transmission systems are finely tuned to work seamlessly with the high-torque engines, offering optimal shifting and power distribution regardless of terrain or payload. The advanced drivetrain ensures the truck maintains traction and performance whether it's a dry highway, a wet mountain pass, or a loose gravel road. The chassis and suspension systems of the 2026 W900 are designed for both resilience and comfort. The robust frame supports heavy loads with ease, while the Kenworth AG400L air suspension system offers superior ride quality by absorbing shocks and vibrations from uneven road surfaces. This results in a smoother, less tiring ride, which is a game-changer for drivers clocking in thousands of miles per week. Also, optional rear air disc brakes and advanced ABS systems enhance safety and reduce stopping distances, providing confidence even in emergency braking scenarios. Inside the cab, Kenworth has made significant strides in combining luxury with practicality. The interior is a fusion of rich materials, intelligent design, and driver-focused ergonomics. Premium leather-wrapped steering wheels, wood-grain trim, and plush seating options elevate the driving experience. The 2026 model comes with two main cab configurations, the day cab and the studio sleeper. The studio sleeper, in particular, is a home away from home for long-haul drivers. It offers a spacious bunk area, multiple storage compartments, a refrigerator, microwave pre-wiring, and even an optional entertainment system with a flat-screen TV and Bluetooth surround sound. Kenworth's latest digital dashboard system is at the heart of the driver experience. A fully customizable digital instrument cluster displays all critical information at a glance, from fuel economy and engine diagnostics to tire pressure monitoring and GPS navigation. Drivers can personalize the display to suit their preferences, ensuring that what matters most is always front and center. A large infotainment touchscreen, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, adds modern convenience, allowing drivers to stay connected, access route information, or enjoy their favorite media while parked. Safety is also a top priority in the 2026 Kenworth W900. The truck comes equipped with Kenworth's predictive cruise control, which uses GPS data and terrain mapping to adjust cruising speeds for optimal fuel efficiency and safety. Forward collision warning systems, lane departure alerts, and adaptive cruise control are all part of the available driver assistance suite. These features not only reduce the risk of accidents but also lessen driver fatigue during extended runs. High-mounted LED headlights with automatic high beam assist ensure excellent visibility at night or in adverse weather conditions. Fuel efficiency, traditionally a concern for large, long-nosed trucks like the W900, has seen notable improvement. Thanks to advanced engine tuning, aerodynamic side fairings, and idle reduction technologies, the 2026 model offers up to 10% better fuel economy compared to previous generations. Optional auxiliary power units allow the engine to remain off while still powering in-cab systems, further reducing fuel consumption and environmental impact. Maintenance and serviceability are made easier than ever. The cab tilts forward smoothly, allowing quick access to the engine and critical components. Diagnostic ports are easily accessible, and with Kenworth's Truck Tech Plus remote diagnostic system, fleet managers and owner-operators can receive real-time alerts and maintenance recommendations. This predictive maintenance approach minimizes downtime and keeps the truck running at peak efficiency, which is essential for any business relying on dependable performance. For owner-operators and small fleets, the 2026 W900 is also a wise financial investment. The truck's high resale value, combined with Kenworth's excellent customer service and nationwide dealer network, ensures that every dollar spent returns value over the long haul. Kenworth's reputation for quality engineering and durable construction is well deserved, and this model upholds that standard with pride. Beyond the specs and features, the Kenworth W900 represents a lifestyle, a symbol of freedom, endurance, and the American spirit. It's the kind of truck that makes people turn their heads when it rumbles down the highway. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey in a rig that respects tradition while embracing the future. For drivers who take pride in their ride, who enjoy the open road, and who want their truck to reflect their hard work and personality, the W900 is more than just a tool, it's a partner. Customization options are vast, including everything from exterior paint schemes and trim packages to sleeper configurations and lighting arrays. Chrome visors, cab lights, custom grills, and even hand-stitched leather interiors are all available, allowing each W900 to be as unique as its driver. Some owners go even further, converting their W900s into show trucks with full airbrush artwork, polished fuel tanks, underglow lighting, and custom wheels. The platform is so iconic and beloved that it has inspired a strong aftermarket culture, with countless companies offering performance parts, visual upgrades, and unique accessories for those wanting to take their rig to the next level. Driver comfort doesn't stop at luxury finishes and entertainment. The seating system in the 2026 W900 features ergonomic design, advanced lumbar support, heating and ventilation, and air ride suspension to reduce fatigue on long hauls. Cab insulation has been improved to significantly reduce noise, helping drivers rest better during downtime and focus more on the road when behind the wheel. The climate control system is more efficient, with dual-zone settings available, ensuring comfort regardless of outside conditions. The 2026 W900 also continues its legacy as a popular choice among heavy-duty haulers, loggers, and oil field workers who require rugged performance and unrelenting durability. The reinforced frame, high ground clearance, and rugged drivetrain options allow this truck to operate in the harshest conditions, from icy mountain passes to dusty construction sites. With its bulletproof build quality, the W900 isn't just for the open highway, it's for any terrain where grit and power are essential. The sense of pride in owning a W900 extends beyond the driver. It's a badge of honor in the trucking community. With countless W900s still running strong after millions of miles, the model has proven its reliability time and time again. This longevity is a major selling point, especially for drivers and companies looking to invest in equipment that lasts. The 2026 model only builds on that legacy with improved corrosion resistance, upgraded cab mounts, better water seals, and more robust electrical systems. Technological integration in the 2026 model also sets a new benchmark. From cloud-based fleet management tools to over-the-air software updates, Kenworth has embraced the digital future. Owners can monitor fleet performance, fuel usage, and vehicle diagnostics from a mobile device or computer. This kind of data transparency and remote management capability is critical for optimizing logistics, reducing costs, and keeping operations running smoothly. Kenworth has also placed emphasis on sustainability. Even with its large size and big block engine options, the 2026 W900 incorporates low-emission technologies and DEF systems that meet the latest EPA standards. For fleets working toward greener operations, the W900 offers optional hybrid auxiliary systems and idle mitigation tools that help reduce overall emissions without compromising on performance. At the heart of it all is the driver. Every component, every feature, and every inch of this truck has been designed with the driver's experience in mind. Whether it's the tactile feel of the steering wheel, the visibility over the long hood, the ease of access to controls, or the smoothness of the ride, it all comes together in one cohesive package. It's a celebration of the trucking profession, of the men and women who keep the economy moving one load at a time. When it comes to legacy, performance, comfort, and sheer visual presence, the 2026 Kenworth W900 doesn't just tick the boxes, it crushes them. It's a machine that pays tribute to the past while pushing boldly into the future. It carries with it the soul of trucking history and the spirit of innovation, making it more than just a truck. It's a legend reborn, ready to take on the road ahead with confidence, class, and undeniable charisma.